Hi, Classy Claws again, another video. Sorry I haven't put much on over the last week or so, but I've kind of been a bit too busy, I'm afraid. So I managed to just chuck these on myself last night. They were a pink and white set that I'd seen somewhere, and I just thought they were lovely. There's some rose gold glitter. For the life of me, I'm not sure where it's from. It'll either be, excuse me, the Glitter Planet or the Glitter Fairy as usual. There it is, rose gold. I think it's Glitter Fairy, but I'm not sure. And then I've got another fine gold next to it. You can see there left in the pot, like a bronze gold. Stunning together. So what I tried to do was a full glitter nail, a couple of ombres, a bit of a marble with some glitter running through it, using CJP and more coconut milk and crystal glass. I literally threw these on in about an hour. I just didn't have time. And then people were texting me and phoning me and God knows what in the middle. So I was just losing my rag. I was trying to get them on really quick. This is the glitter. Absolutely stunning. There's loads of mistakes on these nails. I can see the mistakes, but maybe you will too. I don't know. But they look nice. They look fresh. They look clean. They'll do me for now. The marbling didn't quite go as I wanted. Normally when I put my marbling on, I put a couple of beads and then swirl them in and out of one another. This was kind of different. This was putting them on in waves. You'll see in a minute when I come to the pointer finger, you'll see, and they look all right, but you wouldn't say they were marbling. And then the glitter, I think I put too much on, so they almost look stripy when I'd finished it. But I like them anyway, so see what you think. Let me know. Have a look. Please subscribe if you haven't already. We need to get to 250. We're nearly there. We're on 241 now, I think. So that's brilliant. Keep watching and I will see you on the next one. Take care, everyone. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.